Backbone of DNA. DNA is double-stranded. It consists of two polynucleotide chains. These are the two polynucleotide chains or strands. The backbone of each DNA strand consists of sugar, phosphate, which are alternately placed. In the opposite strand also, the backbone consists of sugar, phosphate moieties. The nitrogen bases project from the background, from the backbone. The nitrogen bases project from the main axis of the backbone. The nitrogen bases of one DNA chain face the nitrogen bases of the opposite strand. So these nitrogen bases occupy the space. This is the inner space which is enclosed by the two DNA strands. The diameter of this inner space of DNA double helix is about 20 angstrom, and in this inner space the nitrogen bases remain. They are almost perpendicular to the axis of the backbone. They project from the backbone and they face each other. So purines pair and face pyrimidine. Pyrimidines face purines of the opposite strand. The purines of one strand pair with pyrimidines of the opposite strand, or pyrimidines of one strand pair with purines of the opposite strand, and pairing occurs by means of hydrogen bonds. But this is the backbone. Sugar, phosphate. This is the backbone. Sugar, phosphate. So these are the two polynucleotide strands which are anti-parallel. That means they have opposite polarity. One is 3' 5'. The opposite strand is 5' 3'. And nitrogen bases remain inside in the space enclosed by DNA double helix.